Let's take a look at this. That's no good.
Come on, Rhonda. Be a team player.
Which way's kill? Jacob, which way's
Up is go.
Up is kill.
So,
well,
what we got here, Chad?
we'll see. We got this old Honda 70. She's a beast.
How'd we get it?
I know. What?
How'd we get it?
How'd we get it? Well, you know the old snowmobile.
Jackie.
That whole deal.
Jackie the Ripper.
Well, you know, you trade piece of crap for another piece of crap. So.
But this piece of crap runs.
Well, barely. And Jacob, show them off your tire job.
So we were running into a little bit of a clearance issue. So with the little redneck ingenuity, in 15 minutes, we cut that that tread off right there, allowing us to ride this bad boy for approximately 6 minutes.
That doesn't sound too good.
Oh well. Freaking Rhonda. Pure power.
And then the chain and sprocket is all screwed up.
Yeah,
so
we got worse in parts, that's for sure.
It'll be better.
Just viewers, just know that Rhonda the Honda is going to be making quite a few appearances in the videos in the near future.
2018 summer.
She'll be ready for race day.
Yeah. We're gonna, dude, this would be sweet to take down the has-been on their track though. I know it's not big or anything, and you're not gonna get any air, but still.
Hey, he's going.
Yo!
Is it recording?
No, it's not.
Record it.
Jacob, don't you think maybe this summer I should get a paint job? Drew?
What are you talking about? I like the red.
Yeah,
in black.
let's just make sure she runs first.
Let's get some.
Yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves, Chad.
Wabashboyz stickers.
Oh, we could do that.
We could do that right now.
Yeah.
What you got there, Drew? We're christening
Fresh Wabashboyz sticker.
the... Ooh.
Does that look good?
Good enough for me.
It's not backwards.
Rubber in real nice. You didn't clean the surface.
We did none of this.
Come on this way.
It should stay on fine. I don't normally, I just normally take a paper towel or something with water and let it down first. You know?
That's why none of your crap runs, Chad. Yeah,
What is wrong
Here,
with it?
hold this.
No.
Let an expert
No.
do it.
You've already ruined one.
Yeah.
It was on
Nice
video.
and slow. Yeah, we need some heat.
We're losing him.
Look at that man.
Future stickers will be of higher quality. The black looks good on that.
Should I bring my stabilizer?
Always.
Oh yeah,
All right,
probably.
we're ready for the final touch.
Let me do the honors.
Oh yeah.
Rhonda.
Look at that wing.
Is that carbon fiber?
It's just the print.
I think so. No, that's real carbon fiber.
$300 on that.
Let's
And only
do it.
$10 on the adhesive.
There it is. You can see it now. Oh baby.
Chad, what happened here?
And here.
Oh my gosh. There's been a murder.
Pretty much.
And the suspect is
Just
Chad.
slipped my thumb, great, and now Cammy doesn't get to be rode for today. So, and
What?
it's sunny.
What's the correlation?
Well, cut to the tape. I can't.
Chad.
Nice.
And then what?
Ooh.
Okay, ladies and gents, that's all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below. Do you guys like Rhonda? What do you think's gonna happen with Rhonda? Do you like? You all right?